Hello guys, welcome back to day 3 of our HTML journey. So far we've got text, images and lists in our portfolio. But what about our resume, schedules or pricing table? Today we will master table for structured data plus learn to format text properly like a pro. We will also discover the secrets embedded in div container and span. Let's dive in straight. Welcome back once again. As usual, I will be updating this our text table with what to cover today. This is our primary objective for today. I'll be creating a special file to hold our table contents today. Now that I'm done creating the table file, table I use to organize data in rows and columns. Think of it like a spreadsheet in HTML. Without wasting much of our time, let's build a skill table step by step. First, let's declare our HTML syntax. Once you are done typing your HTML syntax, I will turn the title to table. Then in the body, I will call the table by its name. Once you are done calling the table, add the following code. Three key tags are used here. The first one is the table, which is the container. Second is the tr, which is known as table role, and the third one, which is th, is known as table header. Now let's add some data rows. Come down to this last table row, add another table row. Once you add this table row, fix in some table data inside using the td tag. Once you are done with this first one, just duplicate it and replace the content you have in it. Once more, this td stands for table data. Each td creates one cell. Once you are done, just save your work and head to your web browser. You can see it, right? It's all there, but it looks messy without border. Let's add some border to it temporary for this development. Now to add border, just go into your table tag and add border equals to 1. Save and head back to your web page. Now you can see what we have here. It looks a bit better, but for real websites we use css for border. HTML border is depreciated, but it's okay for learning. Moving on, let's head back to our old portfolio.html and learn how to use some formatting tools. Modern HTML use semantic tags. Just below this section, let's create another section. Then in this section, let's have 4 different paragraphs. Now that we have 4 different paragraphs, each of these formatting tags will be used on each of those paragraphs that we just created. Now, using the first one, strong, to the very first paragraph that we have, let's wrap it up with a strong tag. To the second one, let's wrap it up with a B tag. To the next one, EM tag. And to the last one, I tag. Now that you are done, save your work, head back to your web browser, refresh the page, and you can see what we have here. What's the difference? Let me break it down. You see, strong tag is used for important content and basically it's for the screen readers. The B tag just visual bold. EM tag it emphasize text. Then I tag just visual italics. Now let's head back to our code editor workspace to have some practical example. Now that we are here, I will just clean this up and write a new code there. Ensure you follow up. Now that I'm done, I'll just hit the save button and head back to my web browser. Now you can see what the result looks like. Note, the strong tag is for importance, the EM tag is for emphasis, the B tag is for styling, and the I tag is just for technical terms. Moving on to the next section, head back to your code editor workspace. Now for layout superheroes, which is our div container, and span. Now for the layout superhero known as div is a block container and span as inline. Watch this magic. Now that you are done, save your work and head back to our web browser. You can see how div container created a full block section that's stacked vertically. Span, it stays inline, perfect for highlighting specific word without breaking the flow. Key difference between block element and inline element: block elements take full width and always starts a new line, while inline elements flow within text. Now let's integrate everything into our portfolio. I would clear this portfolio. Watch closely. Now that we are done, save the code, head back to your web page and let's look at what we have. Refresh the page and you see what we have. It's a bit more better. Head back to your code editor. So what have we covered so far? Table for organized data for presentation, formatting tags, and the last but not the least, div and span for layout control. Your portfolio now has professional structure and better organization. Get ready for day 4. We are focusing on forms. Tomorrow we transform your portfolio into an interactive website. You will get to learn how to create contact form that actually collects information, add the buttons, drop down menus, and user input field. Your portfolio will become truly interactive and functional. If you are enjoying this journey, smash that like button. It fuels this channel sincerely. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss day 4 and other updates coming. Share this with a friend starting their coding journey. See you in the next video. Bye.